Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to be doing a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Monkey, because yes, you can draw a monkey, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, I am too. Let's do this. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw an oval on your paper. This is going to be the bottom part of your monkey's face. Above this oval, you're going to make a smallish rainbow. Like a very sad face, but no sad faces here. Now, inside this top rainbow, you're going to draw two circles. Those are going to be your monkey's eyes. So give him some pupils so it can look at you. And inside this long oval, you're going to make a tiny oval. That's your monkey's nose. And if you've done drawing videos with me before, you know that anytime I spend drawing with you is a happy time. So I'm going to draw a smiley face inside my monkey. The next step is on the top of our rainbow, we're going to draw two more small rainbows. Those are our monkey ears. And inside those, make two more little rainbows. Tiny little rainbows. Now, underneath your long, skinny oval, you're going to make kind of a fat U. I guess it could be as fat or as skinny as you want it to be. I want it to be a fat U on mine. And inside this U, you're going to make another U just to give some texture to your monkey, a little different color on its chest. Then is the fun part. We're going to make some fun monkey arms and legs. Now, monkey's arms are really long and skinny. So what we're going to do is we're going to make an L, an oval, a long line, and a line with a bend. But really, you can make your legs and arms any shape you want. Now you're thinking, Miss Norris, this is like a stick monkey. We're not done yet, folks. Right along each of these lines, we're going to trace another line. Okay? Same thing on this one. Just along the edges, trace another line. Trace another line. And again, another line. A little bit closer. Now on the end of each of these, you're going to make three little bumps for hands. One hand. 1, 2, 3. Two hands. And we're even going to do it on the feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's one final step, guys. And I bet you know what it is. And it's that monkey's tail. So we're going to make the monkey's tail a lot like we made its arms and legs. We're going to make one long and curly line. And then we're going to go back and we're going to trace along that same line. But this time, instead of giving it three bumps at the end, because tails don't have fingers, you're just going to close it. Just close it. And there you have it, friends. We just made a monkey. Now, you can experiment with your drawings. You can make your monkeys bigger or smaller. You can change where your arms are. It's up to you. But yes, you can draw a monkey. If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the page and click the bell so you get notifications for future content. I hope you really had a good time. I know I did, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.